In this video, I'm going to show you how to change date of birth on Snapchat. Now, it's actually pretty simple. You're just going to head over to your Bitmoji, and then from here, you're going to tap the settings, and you should be able to see here your birthday. So that's how easy it is. Now, just go ahead and type that over there, and then you can go ahead and click this one, and then down below, you should be able to see the changes that you can make. So for example, for the month, and let's say for the day, and then say for example, let's change this to 1996, and there you go. You can also go ahead and check this one in order for you to see that cake next to your name when it is your birthday. So I'm going to click continue and then verify that I'm 28 years old and that is my birthday. If it's correct, just hit a OK button right there and you can see it change. So yeah, that is how easy it is to change your date of birth on Snapchat. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.